Hi everyone, I'm Birgit from Koba.Siani. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the Koba.Siani Advent Calendar. This freebie from today is another one that has been in my mind for really a very long time. I've wanted to make our Christmas tree decoration a little bit more unique and also African. So here we go with stuffed fabric balls, aka Christmas baubles, in African wax print. Of course, any other stable fabric will work too. The free sewing pattern in these two sizes you'll find as always on my homepage Koba.Siani.com. And I guess for next year I'll make another bunch in a second print. Have fun! So first I'm cutting the fabric. I'm cutting 6 times this shape here, the pattern. And I'm taking care of the correct pattern direction in my case.
Gifts piled high, Christmas bells ring, lights on the trees and carols to sing. Mugs of hot chocolate, a big swirl of cream, small cold noses.
Transferring the notches from the pattern onto the fabric. Therefore, I've made small holes at the place of the notches so I can draw through the paper on my fabric. And I make these marks to the left fabric side.
Pine cones and candles, snow on the roof, the sound of a bow.
Start to sew the pieces together and we make sure that the notches here and here align of the two pieces. I make sure that's like that with my pin. And then I will sew here along this edge with 1 centimeter seam allowance from notch to notch. And I will repeat this with all 6 pieces.
Run up to your beds, or you'll spoil the magic, the Christmas elves say. Wait for the morning, then open your eyes. Santa has left you a lovely surprise. Be silent, listen.
Pieces are sewn together. We have only this open side here, and we will close this now. But we will leave a space open of about 4 centimeters here on the top of the ball. This is important because afterwards we need the space to fix also the hanger loop. Then I'm trimming the seam allowance down to 5 mm and also cutting into it towards the seam up to 1 mm before the seam. Then I'm turning the ball to the right fabric side and fill it with wadding.
Starry nights, a white crescent moon, sugar and spice on a long wooden spoon.
The length of the hanger loop depends on your needs and is perhaps between 15 and 25 centimeters. Then I'm sewing on tightly the hanger loop at the top of the ball and then continuing a bit looser with a ladder stitch to close the ball.
Is that present mine? No child must peek. Pine cones and candles, snow on the roof. Sound.
Ready! Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye!
Under